So what do you consider sales and marketing 101 to be?
Being yourself, and first things first. Marketing is obviously there's so many different angles for marketing. We'll start with the marketing. Marketing is basically casting your net out to your target audience. And that could be online in the digital space. That's more popular now. Back in the day, mailers. Let's talk about insurance. So insurance, back in the day, we would go door knocking. We would set up stalls outside of Walmart because that's where our customer base was. We would, send out mailers, right? Now that's transformed into the digital space. So casting a net to your target audience, um, discussing or laying out an ad that someone can respond to. So now all of our leads come from paid search, social media, TV. They come from mailers. They come from all over the place, but mainly the digital market space. So once you actually have someone who's expressed interest in your product, now comes the sales piece. Now the sales piece, I don't know if you've ever seen the Jordan Belfort sort of sell me this pen, right? The whole purpose of that sell me this pen is mainly that what he says is anytime he tells a sales agent, sell me this pen, they start with all this gibberish, the pen can do this, they can do that, it writes in different colors, it can write upside down, and they just start going into this sales pitch. But in all reality, what he's looking for people to do is ask questions. So when it comes to sales, the first thing that you need to do once you open up is start asking questions, fact finding, figure out why is this person on the phone? Why did they express interest? What is their story?